Stand-ups are incredibly important to any properly functioning Agile team, but very often they aren't taken seriously, or worse, not used by the members of the team as they should be. This is understandable as stand-ups occur daily and can quickly start to feel like unnecessary evil. There are a few tips you can use to help make stand-ups feel like a fun break to reflect, rather than a drudging aspect of work. Firstly, make sure you're acknowledging team members for the work they do. Many times a worker or team member can feel unappreciated, especially during this virtual age, where team members may be working from home. Allow equal time so every team member is equally given acknowledgement, as well as the all-important constructive criticism. Secondly, keep your startup from being inconvenient. Nobody likes to be pulled from work as they start to develop a flow. It can not only frustrate them, but also decrease efficiency as they have to find their flow again after several minutes of stand-up. Keep in mind scheduling for the team members and what works mutually, or at least the next best thing. Keep it consistent so they can work their schedule with it. Lastly, make it a conversation. Don't talk at the team. Invite a discussion about the work and encourage participation from everyone while facilitating properly so the discussion does not go on too long or draw away from the central points. Stand-up should be straight to the point, yes, but keep it from being static. It should be engaging and refreshing.